Hindi, sure naman talaga ako from the start na may case ako kasi hindi ako magpa-file kung wala kasi lawyer naman ako.
Yeah.
But, actually, I did that because ayoko na parang maulit yon with other people. Kasi parang ang dali ngayon with social media na just because people think wala pang cybercrime law na hindi governed ng regular laws, ng criminal laws ng Philippines, ang social media, but it is. So as a lawyer, gusto ko ipakita na governed yan. Parang you have to be responsible. Ang media, di ba, and ang press, very responsible when they print. Why not social media? Kasi, alam niyo naman na if you go beyond the bounds of propriety sa print, syempre para pag nag-damage ka intentionally ng other people, di ba, hindi pwede yon. Ganun din dapat sa social media. So, personally, I think, malakas talaga.
Are you trying to locate her?
No naman. Hindi, kasi di ba, I think she's in Switzerland.
She said she's coming back soon daw po.
Yeah, so pero hindi ko alam when, but since it's been scheduled for arraignment, so if ever nandito siya,
She'll be arrested na po, diba?
hindi, kasi if she doesn't, it's a criminal case eh. So she has to post bail para, she has to appear in court and post bail. So, yung GMA kasi may campaign, di ba, before, pa-think before you click. Yun dapat talaga. Kasi, personally, when I'm not very active on the internet, but when I look at the internet, ang daming cyberbullying talaga. Sobra. So, parang, yun nga, dapat people should think before they click. Because social media should be used for the good, for positive things. Pero pag nakikita mo, parang na-outweigh ng negative. Puro negative things yung mga gusto ilagay ng mga tao. But that would be detrimental, diba, to society. And it's a very powerful venue ngayon. So parang mahirap to just to not give particular rules or ethics to the use of social media.